So we're starting with the third video, and here we're going to go learn the introduction of roots. So like I've npm run dev this app, and npm run dev is like the running what you need to do to start. So yeah, npm run dev, it executes next dev, and so here we are, and this is the what we have in localhost port number 3000. Next.js startup file which is being sent from over here, and like we can just remove this for now. So if I just remove this and make a div, and make a div that says hello Next.js as we did in last few lectures, and open this. So then we have this hello Next.js here, which shows that we are successful in doing this. And like what we need to do next is, so yeah, we've done hello Next.js. We are good until here. What next? What next? So we are going to learn about roots here, and like we need to know what segment, path, and domain are. So let's first understand what segment is. What is a segment? So whenever we see a URL like nextjs.com slash docs slash root. So here in this, what we see here is that this docs is a segment. This docs is a segment, and this whole path, this whole set of segments, uh, listed one by one, each one next to another, is called path, and the initial this information for the website is called domain. All information before the initial. Next is, I'm sorry, this was a slash. This was not a backslash. So this backslash is like this. So yeah, so like this is a domain, this is segment and path, and among this segment and path there can be a list of three types of segments: root segment, a normal segment. That's why I've just put a dash here, and a leaf segment. So this is last. This is nothing after this. We have nothing. So this is indeed a leaf segment. This is a leaf segment. Why I'm telling all this, because these are necessary while understanding Next.js before we move on to doing some like heavy parts about Next.js. Actually implementing it, we need to know how the things are done, and this can be like understood as a normal segment. And also like while going to there, like we have a root segment. So there are three types. So first one is a root segment. Second is the actual segment. Third is the leaf segment. So this is the app folder. Inside this, if we create a folder named like what should I name it? I should name it. Let's just name it root, not root, but JS app, JS app. And inside this, I need to have a page.js file. It's going to be RFCE. Hello roots, and as we discussed, it's dogs and root. The segment is named works on what you name your folder. So yeah, we're getting a hello roots here. So this is how this segment works, and like yeah, that's pretty much it. But if we name like another page here, if we need to go nesting of roots, we'll discuss what how the nesting of root works in the next video. Thank you.